Om Sai Ram. Let's meditate today on the glorious form of the Lord, who is in the form of light in front of us. As we meditate, let's bring the body, the senses, and mind under control. To bring our body under control, let's sit straight with both hands resting on our knees and bringing the thumb and index finger together, symbolizing our union with the Lord. Observe your breath, and as you do, repeat the words So Hum in your mind. As you fill your lungs with air, breathe in the word So, and then breathe out Hum, reminding you of its meaning, God I am. Now, visualize a lit candle in front of you with a gentle flame. Look on the flame steadily for some time. Now close your eyes and try to feel the flame inside you, between your eyebrows. Let the flame slide down into the lotus of your heart. As it enters the heart, imagine that the petals of this lotus unfold one by one, bathing every thought, feeling, and emotion in the light, and removing darkness from them. There is no space for darkness to hide. Imagine the light becoming wider, bigger, and brighter. Let it pervade your hands. Now you can never indulge in dark, suspicious, and wicked activities. These hands have become instruments of light and love. Move the flame slowly down to your feet. This light shines bright in your feet, ensuring that they take you to good places. Let the flame rise up and fill your stomach with this divine light. The light moves over and fills your back and your shoulders. Now, your body is filled with light, which gets brighter and brighter. Take this light to your eyes. As this flame shines bright in your eyes, you will see only what is good. Slowly, take the light to both of your ears, and purify them, so that they hear only what is good. Take this light further to the region of your mouth and keep it on your tongue, and be blessed to always speak the truth. And finally, bring this light up to your head. There, the light transforms into a crown, enshrining and covering the head. Let your head be soaked with light, allowing all negative thoughts to flee. Imagine this light in you intensify. Let it shine all around you, and let it spread from you in ever-widening circles. Imagine this flame burning bright within all the members of your family. Imagine this flame burning bright in your neighbors, in the people of your locality, and in your friends and relations. Imagine this flame enveloping your enemies, all strangers, trees, animals, birds, the entire world. Stay in this moment and enjoy the beautiful light permeate the world with love. God, in whichever form you favor, is now no different to this all-pervasive light. This light is God. God is light. Now, when you're ready, slowly open your eyes and enjoy the bliss.
ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। 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 ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। 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 शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
But we are in Chennai at a place that inextricably binds the two Sais, Shirdi Sai and Satya Sai, Puttaparthi and Shirdi in an amazingly spellbinding manner. This is a place you must not miss to visit, witness and reflect upon, especially in this historic time when we celebrate and observe the 100th year of the Mahasamadhi of Shirdi Sai 1918 to 2018. And this place is the holy shrine of the Sai Baba temple at Gindi, Chennai. Now this place is significant for three principal reasons. Firstly, this is where the first time ever an idol of Shirdi Sai was installed, consecrated and worshipped. While the shrine at Shirdi was unveiled on Vijayadashami Day 1954, 5 years before that, Bhagwan inaugurated this shrine of Shirdi Sai in February 1949. On this side, you have the stupa. Now, Swami inaugurated this stupa in February 1973, 2 years before the Sarvadharma stupa came into being in Prashantanilayam, which happened in 1975. This lotus stupa is in fact a part of the insignia of the Sri Satya Sai Seva organizations. This is that historic place. And the third important reason this place is highly propitious is Bhagwan declared that this is my first mandir, my first spiritual center. So you have on one side the Ganesha, then you have the Nagasai, you have the stupa, then you have the Navagrahas, and finally you have the shrine of Shirdi Sai. So this is Bhagwan's gift to humanity, the first spiritual center. The story of the shrine goes back to the Dasara of 1943 when Loknath Mudaliar, a devout gentleman, suddenly went mad because of an attack of black magic. His family was devastated, his condition became pathetic. The family was praying to all the gods they knew. The condition deteriorated for the first day, the second day. On the midnight of the second night, suddenly he woke up with a start saying, "Where is that charming young man? Where is that person with lovely hair wearing that chilly red gown? He came and he asked me to drink tulsi water. He asked me to sip this water thrice, and when I did that, I became completely all right. Where is that man?" The family had no idea what he was talking about, but they were so happy that their head of the family, Loknath Mudaliar, was fine. And the next day at 11:30 in the morning, Swami steps into the house of Loknath Mudaliar. The family has no clue about Swami. Swami goes straight to Loknath Mudaliar, and the moment Mudaliar sees Swami, he cries out, "You are the God, you are the God who cured me." And he wants to get up, but he's unable to because of a fracture. Swami just pulls his right toe and his bones get fixed instantly. He falls at the feet of Bhagwan, and Swami then creates Vibhuti and says that it is I who came last night in your dream, and I have come now to assure you that henceforth you will never be affected by any attack of black magic. Swami then looks at his wife and says, "Go to this particular spot of your land. A sorcerer has kept carcasses of goat and chicken there. He wanted to kill Loknath Mudaliar. Dig the place, remove all the dead remains of animals, place this Vibhuti, and after you have done this, come to Prashanta Nilayam." And once Loknath Mudaliar and his family go to Prashanta Nilayam, he is blissed out in the peace of being with Bhagwan. When he returns, he suddenly gets this inspiration. He wants to do something for Swami, and he says, "Swami, can I build a place for you in Chennai so that whenever you come to the city, you can reside here?" Swami blesses him with that idea and says, "Go ahead." But even as he's making preparations for this, comes a letter from Prashanta Nilayam, and Swami clearly writes there, "There is no need to build a residence for me. Instead, build a temple for my former body. I will myself come and consecrate this shrine of my former incarnation. Till now, there is no sculpture image set of me, even in Shirdi. You start this work in right earnest. I am with you. Make due preparations. I will come and lay the foundation stone." So that is how on July 10th, 1946, Swami is here to lay the foundation stone. He creates Sri Chakram, turmeric, kumkum. He places it below the slab and announces that this is my first mandir. Bhagwan physically was just 20 years old then.
सदा सत्स्वरूपं चिदानन्दकन्दं जगत्सम्भवस्थानसंहारहेतुम् स्वभक्ते च यामानुषं दर्शयन्तं नमामीश्वरं सद्गुरुं साईनाथं नमामीश्वरं सद्गुरुं साईनाथम् भवद्वान्तविद्वांशमार्ताण्डमीड्यं मनोवागतीतं मुनिर्ध्यानगम्यम् जगद्व्यापकं निर्मलं निर्गुणं त्वां नमामीश्वरं सद्गुरुं साईनाथं नमामीश्वरं सद्गुरुं साईनाथम् भवाम्बोधिमग्नादितानां जनानां स्वपादश्रितानां स्वभक्तप्रियाणां समुद्धारणार्थं कलौ सम्भवन्तं नमामीश्वरं सद्गुरुं साईनाथं नमामीश्वरं सद्गुरुं साईनाथम् सदा निम्बवृक्षस्य मूलाधिवासात् सुधाश्राविणं तिक्तमप्यप्रियं तम् तरुं कल्पवृक्षाधिकं साधयन्तं नमामीश्वरं सद्गुरुं साईनाथं नमामीश्वरं सद्गुरुं साईनाथम् सदा कल्पवृक्षस्य तस्यादिमूले भवद्भावबुद्ध्या सपर्यादिसेवा नृणां कुर्वतां भुक्तिमुक्तिप्रदन्तं नमामीश्वरं सद्गुरुं साईनाथं नमामीश्वरं सद्गुरुं साईनाथम् अनेकाश्रिता तर्कलीलाविलासे समाविष्कृतेशान भास्वत्प्रभावम् अहं भावहीनं प्रसन्नात्मभावं नमामीश्वरं सद्गुरुं साईनाथं नमामीश्वरं सद्गुरुं साईनाथम् सतां विश्रमाराममेवाभिरामं सदा सज्जनैः संस्तुतं सन्नमद्भिः जनामोददं भक्तप्रदन्तं नमामीश्वरं सद्गुरुं साईनाथं नमामीश्वरं सद्गुरुं साईनाथं नमामीश्वरं सद्गुरुं साईनाथं नमामीश्वरं सद्गुरुं साईनाथम् अजन्माद्यमेकं परं ब्रह्म साक्षात् स्वयं सम्भवं राममेवावतीर्णम् भवद्दर्शनात् सम्पुनीत प्रभोऽहम् नमामीश्वरं सद्गुरुं साईनाथम् नमामीश्वरम्
लंबोदर पाहि मां
जय लंबोदर पाहि मां
जय लंबोदर पाहि मां
जय लंबोदर पाहि मां
जगदम्बा सुधा रक्ष मां
जगदम्बा सुधा रक्ष मां
जगदम्बा सुधा रक्ष मां
जगदम्बा सुधा रक्ष मां
जय लंबोदर पाहि मां
जय लंबोदर पाहि मां
शरणागत रक्ष मां
शरणागत रक्ष मां
शरणागत रक्ष मां
शरणागत रक्ष मां
हे करुणानिधे पाहि मां
हे करुणानिधे पाहि मां
हे करुणानिधे पाहि मां
हे करुणानिधे पाहि मां
श्री गणनाथ संरक्ष मां
श्री जगन्नाथ संरक्ष मां
श्री गणनाथ संरक्ष मां
श्री जगन्नाथ संरक्ष मां
निज भक्ति मुदं देहि 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 मां
जय लंबोदर पाहि मां
जय लंबोदर पाहि मां
जगदम्बा सुधा रक्ष मां
जगदम्बा सुधा रक्ष मां
जय लंबोदर पाहि मां
जय लंबोदर पाहि मां
शरणागत रक्ष मां
शरणागत रक्ष मां
हे करुणानिधे पाहि मां
हे करुणानिधे पाहि मां
श्री गणनाथ संरक्ष मां
श्री जगन्नाथ संरक्ष मां
निज भक्ति मुदं देहि 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 मां
जय लंबोदर पाहि मां
शिरडी महादेवा देवा शिरडी महादेवा
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 शांति प्रेम सद्गुरु
सद्गुरुनाथा
शिरडीपुरी वासा देवा
शिरडीपुरी वासा देवा
शिरडी महादेवा देवा शिरडी महादेवा
शिरडी महादेवा देवा शिरडी महादेवा
शिरडी के साईनाथ सद्गुरुनाथा
शिरडी के साईनाथ सद्गुरुनाथा
शिरडी के साईनाथ सद्गुरुदेवा
शिरडी के साईनाथ सद्गुरुदेवा
गुरुदेव 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 गुरुदेव
गुरुदेव गुरुदेव गुरुदेव गुरुदेव
गुरुदेव गुरुदेव गुरुदेव गुरुदेव
गुरुदेव गुरुदेव गुरुदेव
गुरुदेव गुरुदेव गुरुदेव गुरुदेव शिरडी महादेवा देवा शिरडी महादेवा
Love is my form, truth is my breath, bliss is my food.
Love is my form, truth is my breath, grace is my food.
Love is my form, truth is my breath, bliss is my food.
Love is my form, truth is my breath, grace is my food.
My life is my message, expansion is my life.
My life is my message, expansion is my life.
My life is my message, expansion is my life.
My life is my message, expansion is my life.
No reason for love, no season for love, no birth, no death.
No reason for love, no season for love, no birth, no death.
Prema Satya Ananda Dhamma Shanti Ahimsa.
Prema Satya Ananda Dharma Shanti Ahimsa.
Prema Satya Ananda Dhamma Shanti Ahimsa.
Prema Satya Ananda Dharma Shanti Ahimsa.
Shirdi Sai Satya Sai Prema Sai Jai Jai.
Shirdi Sai Satya Sai Prema Sai Jai Jai.
Shirdi Baba Satya Baba Prema Baba Jai Jai.
Shirdi Baba Satya Baba Prema Baba Jai Jai.
Love is my form, truth is my breath, bliss is my food.
Love is my form, truth is my breath, grace is my food.
My life is my message, expansion is my life.
Life is my message, expansion is my life.
No reason for love, no season for love, no birth, no death.
Reason for love, reason for love,
Prema Satya Ananda Dhamma Shanti Ahimsa.
Prema Satya Ananda
जय परमेश्वर
जय जगदीश्वर जय परमेश्वर
जय जगदीश्वर जय परमेश्वर
शिरडी निवास साईश्वरा
शिरडी निवास साईश्वरा
शिरडी निवास साईश्वरा
शिरडी निवास साईश्वरा
पतिपुरीशा साईश्वरा
पतिपुरीशा साईश्वरा
पतिपुरीशा साईश्वरा
पतिपुरीशा साईश्वरा
जगदोतारा साईश्वरा जगदोतारा साईश्वरा शंभो शंकर सांब शिवा शंभो शंकर साई शिवा गंगाधर हर गौरी शिवा गंगाधर हर गौरी शिवा शंभो शंकर सांब शिवा शंकर सांब शिवा जय जगदीश्वर जय परमेश्वर
जगदीश्वर जय परमेश्वर
जय परमेश्वर
परमेश्वर
जय जगदीश्वर जय परमेश्वर
जगदीश्वर जय परमेश्वर
शिरडी निवास साईश्वरा
शिरडी निवास साईश्वरा
पतिपुरीशा साईश्वरा
पतिपुरीशा साईश्वरा
जगदोतारा साईश्वरा
जगदोद्धारा साईश्वरा
शंभो शंकर सांब शिवा
शंकर सांब शिवा
शंभो शंकर साई शिवा
शंकर सांब शिवा
गंगाधर हर गौरी शिवा
अल्लाह नाम भजो भजो रे भजो मौला नाम भजो भजो रे भजो
नाम भजो भजो रे भजो मौला नाम भजो भजो रे भजो
अल्लाह नाम भजो भजो रे भजो मौला नाम भजो भजो रे भजो
अल्लाह नाम भजो भजो रे भजो मौला नाम भजो भजो रे भजो
नानक यीशु महावीर नाम 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 भजो
श्री बुद्ध देवा भजो भजो रे भजो शिरडी साई बाबा भजो भजो रे भजो
देवा भजो भजो रे भजो श्री साई बाबा भजो भजो रे भजो
श्री बुद्ध देवा भजो भजो रे भजो शिरडी साई बाबा भजो भजो रे भजो
देवा भजो भजो रे भजो श्री साई बाबा भजो भजो रे भजो
श्री रघुराम भजो गोविंद श्री सत्य साई भजो भजो रे भजो
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 अल्लाह नाम भजो भजो रे भजो मौला नाम भजो भजो रे भजो
अल्लाह नाम भजो भजो रे भजो मौला नाम भजो भजो रे भजो
नानक येशु महावीर नाम भजो
नानक येशु महावीर नाम भजो
श्री बुद्ध देवा भजो भजो रे भजो शिरडी साई बाबा भजो भजो रे भजो
श्री बुद्ध देवा भजो भजो रे भजो श्री साई बाबा भजो भजो रे भजो
श्री रघुराम भजो गोविंद कृष्ण 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 भजो
श्री सत्य साई भजो भजो रे 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 भजो
अल्लाह नाम भजो भजो रे भजो मौला नाम भजो
भजो रे भजो
शिरडी के साई परथी के बाबा
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 तुम हो हमारे प्यारे साईं बाबा
हमारे प्यारे साईं बाबा
तुम हो हमारे प्यारे साईं बाबा
हमारे प्यारे साईं बाबा
शिरडी के साईं परथी के बाबा
शिरडी के साईं परथी के बाबा
प्रेममया साईं प्रेम प्रदाता
प्रेममया साईं प्रेम प्रदाता
प्रेममया साईं प्रेम प्रदाता
प्रेममया साईं प्रेम प्रदाता
ईश्वरावनन्दन जगत् परिपाला
ईश्वरावनन्दन जगत् परिपाला
ईश्वरावनन्दन जगत् परिपाला
ईश्वरावनन्दन जगत् परिपाला
पाप विनाशक परम कृपाला
पाप विनाशक परम कृपाला
पाप विनाशक परम कृपाला
पाप विनाशक परम कृपाला
शिरडी के साईं परथी के बाबा
शिरडी के साईं परथी के बाबा
तुम हो हमारे प्यारे साईं बाबा
हमारे प्यारे साईं बाबा
शिरडी के साईं परथी के बाबा
शिरडी के साईं परथी के बाबा
प्रेममया साई प्रेम प्रदाता ईश्वरानंदन जगत परिपाला पाप विनाशक परम कृपाला पाप विनाशक परम कृपाला शिरडी के साई पर्थी के बाबा
मनस भजरे गुरु चरणम दुस्तर भ्रम सागर तरणम मानस भजरे गुरु चरणम दुस्तर भव सागर तरणम भजरे गुरु चरणम दुस्तर भव सागर तरणम ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमः शिव अरुणाचल शिव अरुणाचल शिव अरुण शिव अरुणाचल शिव अरुणाचल शिव अरुणाचल शिव अरुण शिव बाबा ओंकारं बाबा ओंकारं बाबा ओम नमो बाबा मानस भजने गुरु चरणं दुस्तर भव सागर तरणं भजरे गुरु चरणं दुस्तर भव सागर तरणं गुरु महाराज गुरु जय जय साईनाथ सद्गुरु जय जय गुरु महाराज गुरु जय जय साईनाथ सद्गुरु जय जय मानस भजरे गुरु चरणं दुस्तर भव सागर तरणं भजरे गुरु चरणं दुस्तर भव सागर तरणम्
ओम तत्सत् श्री नारायण तु पुरुषोत्तम गुरु तु सिद्ध बुद्ध तु स्कंद विनायक सविता पावक तु सविता पावक तु ब्रह्म
पिता प्रभु तू, रुद्र विष्णु तू, राम कृष्ण तू, रहीम दाओ तू, रहीम दाओ तू। वासुदेव गोविंद स्वरूप तू, चिदानंद हरि तू, अद्वितीय तू, अकाल निर्भय आत्मलिंग शिव तू, आत्मलिंग शिव तू, आत्मलिंग शिव तू।
Christian prayer. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread. Forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory, forever and ever. Amen. Muslim prayer. In the name of God, most gracious, most merciful, praise be to God, the cherisher and sustainer of the worlds. Most gracious, most merciful, master of the day of judgment. You do we worship, and your aid we seek. Show us the straight way, the way of those on whom you have bestowed your grace, those whose portion is not wrath, and who go not astray. Buddhist refuges. I take refuge in the Buddha. I take refuge in Dharma. I take refuge in the Sangha. Hindu prayer. The universal teacher is the creator. The universal teacher is the protector and sustainer. The universal teacher is the Almighty. The universal teacher is verily the supreme unmanifested one. To that Guru we offer our prostrations. Zoroastrian prayer. Just as the will of the ruler of the universe is supreme, so is the spiritual teacher supreme through his asha. The gifts of good mind are for those who do good deeds in the name of Mazda. The strength and power of Ahura are given to him who renders help and shelters the poor and needy. Jewish prayer. Hear, O Israel, the Lord our God, the Lord is one. You shall love God with all your heart, with all your soul, and with all your resources. Let these matters which I command you today be upon your heart. Teach them thoroughly to your children, and speak of them while you sit in your home, while you walk on the way, when you retire, and when you arise. Amen.
మీరు ఆదర్శప్రాయులైన విద్యార్థులుగా రూపొందినప్పుడే మనం నేర్చిన విద్యలన్నీ కూడా సద్వినియోగం గావించుకోవచ్చు.
It is our nation can progress only if you put into action what you have learned.
ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళినప్పటికీ మీ డిసిప్లిన్ మీ వెంటనే ఒక షాడో మాదిరి ఉంటుండాలి.
Wherever you go, the discipline must come after you like a shadow.
కనుక మూడింటి యందు మీరు చక్కగా లక్ష్యం చేయాలి.
Please pay attention to three important things.
దకారత్రయములు.
First is
డివోషన్, డ్యూటీ, డిసిప్లిన్.
devotion, duty and discipline.
ఈ డివోషన్ అనేటువంటిది ఒక గవర్నర్ వంటి వాడు.
The devotion is like a governor.
ఈ గవర్నర్ ప్రక్క లోపల డ్యూటీ, డిసిప్లిన్ ఈ రెండు బాడీ గార్డ్స్ మాదిరి ఉంటుండాలి.
The two bodyguards to the governor are duty and discipline.
కనుకని ఈ బాడీ గార్డ్స్ గవర్నర్ యొక్క దీన్ని దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకోవాలి.
They should always keep the governor under sight.
గవర్నర్ కూడా ఈ బాడీ గార్డ్స్ యొక్క ప్రధానతను కూడా తాను గుర్తించాలి.
He should also understand the importance of the
ఈ
bodyguard.
మూడు కూడా అన్యోన్య ఆశ్రయము, అవినాభావ సంబంధం.
There should be an intimate understanding and relationship between them.
కనుకనే మానవత్వంలో ఉన్నటువంటి దివ్యత్వాన్ని చక్కగా మనం గుర్తించి మన క్రియ లోపల ప్రవేశించి దేశమునకు, దేహమునకు, ఈ సమాజమునకు తగినటువంటి ఆదర్శాన్ని అందించాలి.
We must cultivate the divinity within us and put it into action in the service of the
भर्गोदेवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्
ॐ जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी सत्य साई हरे भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्त जना संरक्षक पति महेश्वरा ॐ जय जगदीश हरे शशिवदना श्रीकरा सर्वा प्राणपते स्वामी सर्वा प्राणपते आश्रित कल्पलतिका आश्रित कल्पलतिका आपद्बान्धवा ॐ जय जगदीश हरे मातपिता गुरुदेवं मरियन्तयु नीवे स्वामी मरियन्तयु नीवे नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथा नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथा नागेन्द्र शरणा ॐ जय जगदीश हरे ओंकार रूप ओजस्वी ओ साई महादेवा सत्य साई महादेवा मंगल आरती अंदुकु मंगल आरती अंदुकु मंदर गिरिधारी ओम जय जगदीश हरे नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम
हरे नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा शांति 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 समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु ओम शांति 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 peace 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 on earth peace 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 for all the universe for all the universe for all the universe जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा